Hi all, my name is Tapan Sharma. I'm working with Ramdocs as a senior subject matter expert. So today we are going to discuss about Saml propagation in OSP and between OSP and a web server which is deployed on WebLogic. So this is our use case. What we are going to do is we are going to apply OWSM username token policy to the proxy service. Then we are going to apply Saml client policy to our business service endpoint. Then we are going to apply Saml service policy to our web service which is deployed on WebLogic. So let's open the WebLogic, and this is the console. This is the test user which I have created. Here this will be something like it's a simple username and token policy. But for this thing we need to create a for this one we have created a username and password. For this thing we need to create a CSF key, that is credential stores framework key, which will be stored in the key store. I'll tell you how. So first of all we need to configure the key store. For this, go to security provider configuration. Here you will find the key store. Just click on it, configure, and here you have to type the password for your key store. Password, here you have to type the signature key which is used to sign your payload. Here you have to type the encryption key, and after that you have to click on OK. These are like known dynamic changes on the server, so you have to restart the server after doing all the changes. I have done these changes, so I am not going to restart these things. I'll show you in the key store which is stored in my local domain. I can show you. This is inside config directory, fmw config directory, and this is the key store which I have stored. Key store, it's a format for Java to store the keys, public and private keys. So this is how we configure the key store. After configuring the key store, we have to create the CSF key. So go to security, credentials. So as soon as you configure your key store, you will be getting a map like this: oracle.wsm.security. Click on create key. Just a map which is which is used to store your keys. Type something oracle -csf-key. Here we have to provide the same username which we have configured in the WebLogic. Here the password for that, and click on OK. I have given, I think I misspelled the name. No issues, I will get the same name over there while configuring the business service. So let's back to our use case. First we will be applying this username and token policy to the proxy service. Click on proxy service, create a session, click on policies, add. Here click on this and you will find it. These are like WSS standard username token policy. Click on submit, click on update, go to security tab. Here we need to provide the whether you want to do it at message access control level or at operational level. You can give it anything. I would like to do it proxy service level, so I'm clicking on this. It's taking time. I have RAM for only 3 GB, might be required more than that. Okay, it's dev, you can afford it. Oh yeah, click on add conditions. From here we will be selecting the users, and then we will add the user which is present over here, and it is the provider is default authenticator. You can use any kind of provider. It may be a SQL provider or it can be an external LDAP also. I've tried for SQL authenticator also prior to this. So here click on test user, which is we have created. Click on finish, click on save. That's it. Click on back, click on project. Oh sorry, you need to update it. Click on project. So first thing is completed. We applied the OWSM username and password policy. Then now we are going to apply this Saml client policy. Click on web service, click on policies, click on add. So here you will find something like this. This is the standard WSS web services standard 10. This is Saml 2.0. Click on this. It's a client policy. Click on update. So as you can see here, it will ask you for the CSF key. Now I will enter the same key which I have created earlier. This is ORALCE. Okay. ALCE-CSF-key. Click on update. Click on activate. So get the Saml policy. Click on submit. Okay, so our 2 points are completed. First this and this. Now we are going to add the same service policy on the web service. So move on to your EM console, go to application deployment. So go to your web service. Go here, go to web services, go to endpoints, so this is after applying this the advantage of using SAML is that it's used for user identity federation. Here nobody can see the password of the user. Here only the username will be passed from the business server to the web service. So that's the advantage of SAML. It's like we are federating the identity of the user. We are not propagating the password of the user to a web service. We are just providing the username. So click on attach. It's fetching the data. Okay, so it's taking time. So we can talk about SAML a bit. In the meantime, it will show the screen for this. Yeah, so here you can see all the policies. SAML, OWSM. All the policies which are there inside the OWSM. I've already selected this SAML 2.0. So if you can detach it, then you can reattach it, so it will come over here. So I need to reattach it as I've already attached it. So just click on OK, and it will be done from this SAML service policy side. So then we are going to test it using SOAP UI. I'll show you the username is only propagated to the web service by enabling tracing on this business service. You can see that. Okay, so it will take some time. Okay, I mean it's already done, so we can start our testing. So it's a simple web service. I've applied it to the service level. So this is I've configured the username as test user, and let me verify it. Yes, this is test user. The password is password1. So let's try and give a wrong password first. It will give you security exception. I mean only at the proxy level itself it will fail. Yeah, this is, I mean, you'll be getting something like this. This is an I have noticed any fault handler, that's I'm getting exception. I mean it's a system fault I'm getting. So let's change the password. Make it password1. Yeah, so test it again. Now you will be getting the result from multiplication. Yes, you are getting 35. So I'll reload the logs from admin server. I'll go to the end of this. So I'll show you the Saml Saml payload. This is the Saml payload starting from here to here. Yeah, so you'll see the username only. It involves like there are three main things attached to this Saml payload. One is your issuer, one is your this name ID, which contains only the username, and one is your signature key, which is used to sign the payload. So I mean this is how the SAML works in OSP in general. I hope you like this video, and we're waiting for your comments on this. Thank you.